Thank you for choosing our Hiseeu cameras. Now I'll introduce how to connect the new camera to our systems. Now we have two different variants of different interface. So I'll introduce first one and later I'll introduce another one. So don't worry if what you can see on the monitor is different from what you have.
Firstly, please connect your camera with your power supply. Then we can hold the reset button for about 6 seconds.
Now please right-click, choose camera. Here you can see a plus icon. Hit the plus icon. Left click. Now you can see a prompt choose power on your camera and reset for about 6 seconds. Just now we already have done that, so we can click continue.
Matching code will be done once you've heard the voice prompt.
When you can see your camera icon just show up on the monitor, you can click continue.
End of code matching.
Then you can see your camera live video and click continue again. Okay, then we already add the camera to your monitor now. We can go back to the main screen, then we will see the live video of the camera. Now we will introduce how to connect this new camera to another version of different interface.
Firstly, please connect your camera with your power supply. Then we can hold the reset button for about 6 seconds.
Right click, choose this wireless add. Then the system will search our new camera. Okay, now channel 1 added successfully. When we see this, we can click this exit. Matching code, are you sure to continue? We click yes. Okay, now this camera has been added successfully.